A toy company is redesigning its packaging for model cars. The graphic design team needs to take the old image shown below and resize it so that 1/2 of an inch on the old package represents 1/3 of an inch on the new package. Our job is to find the length of the image on the new package. To find the scale factor, we take the new and divide it by the original. When dividing by a fraction, you have to flip the second one over and change it to multiplication. So our numerator is 2 and our denominator is 3. Then we take our scale factor and we multiply by that dimension. In this problem, it's 2. So 2 times 2/3. 2 times 2 is 4 over 3. We can just leave it just like that. You don't have to change it to a mixed number. 4 over 3 is a perfectly acceptable answer. Number 2, the city of St. Louis is creating a welcome sign on a billboard for visitors to see as they enter the city. The following picture needs to be enlarged so that 1/2 of an inch represents 7 feet on the actual billboard. Will it fit on a billboard that measures 14 feet high? Our scale factor, we're going to take 7 and divide by 1/2. Dividing by a fraction means we flip it and multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. And 14 divided by 1 is just 14. With our ruler, we are going to measure this height. Whatever that measurement is, you're going to multiply by that scale factor of 14. And that will tell you how tall it will be on the billboard. Then you have to determine if it will fit on that height. So use your ruler to measure, put that measurement here, and then whatever your answer is, tell me if that fits in this 14-foot high billboard. Make sure you put your name on it, fill in all those blanks, and staple your homework together.